Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add money to your Chime card through Cash App. Now the only way you can do that is if you have funds into your Cash App account. Okay, so you're going to go into the My Cash section, into the activity page on the top left, or if you're on a mobile phone it should be on the bottom section or on the settings top left. And then if you've got some money into your account, you're going to press the Cash Out button. And all you're going to do as you press the Cash Out button is going to ask you for your bank details in order to transfer that money into your bank account. And all you got to do is put in your Chime card details. That is your sort code, your routing number, and also your account number, and also the name of the bank, name of the account, of course. So if my name was, for example, Divin, I would have that as my name, etc., etc. For you guys, it'll be different, of course, because you've got different names. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.